Okay, the next question in this 30 days of code is linked list. We are on day 15. Okay, so if you have a basic idea of linked list तो ये question बहुत ही आसान हो जाएगा. Okay, so here they are given a linked list. So this is the number of elements in linked list they are passing, means they are inserting, and lastly we want the output like in this format, means जैसे हम array में एलिमेंट लेते हैं वैसे हम डिस्प्ले करते हैं, लाइक वैसे लिंक लिस्ट में जैसे लिया है वैसे डिस्प्ले किया है उन्होंने. ओके, सो दे हैव गिवन द एक्सप्लेनेशन. सो दिस 4 इज द इंसर्टिंग 4 nodes, means they want to insert 4 nodes. The list is initially empty. Okay, so this is the linked list. So this is first data 2. So this is the structure that have this first part data and this second part is address. Okay, so if you observe this structure, so it has the integer type data and it has the self-referencing pointer of node star of that is next. Okay, means so this is the address of next node. Okay, so like that. So here the address n1 of, so the address of this second node is n1 and they are inserting, means they are inserting the node like this, means पीछे से हमें insert करना है. Okay, so for that they have written the code. They have written main and display. In main they have created the head which is null, and they are taking this data through scanf and they are calling this function insert head and data. Okay, so in this function they are passing the address of head. So this address they are passing through this and the data that they have taken. Okay, so here I have written code. Okay, so this is the prototype. So they are passing the address and they are passing the data. Okay, so now we want to create the new node at the end of the linked list. Okay, so here first of all we are creating a new node, that is n, using malloc with the size of node. Okay, so malloc dynamic memory allocate करता है, it creates the node and in that node we are initializing the data with the data that is coming through this function. Okay, so this data and this data both are different. This data is of our structure data and this data is that is coming data. Okay, so now they have created a temporary node star because we want to iterate the linked list. So for that we will check the head, that our head is null or not. अगर head null होगा तो हमें stop करना है, like that. Here in this first position here head is null, so here we will stop and we will directly put the address of new created linked list. So जो हमने linked list create किया है उसका एड्रेस हम इसमें पेस्ट करेंगे. सो तो वो पीछे से इंसर्ट हो जाएगा. सो दैट्स द थिंग. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव क्रिएटेड एंड टेम्पररी एंड वी हैव कॉपीड आवर एड्रेस ऑफ हेड, बिकॉज फिर से हमें हेड रिटर्न करना है हियर. फॉर दैट वी आर कॉपिंग दैट हेड in this temp and we iterate the loop using this temp. Okay, so this condition is for the first. If our head is null, means जब हमारा head null होगा पहले टाइम में, this is the initial condition. If our head is null, then we are just putting this address n into the head. Okay, so this is the if condition, and in else we are iterating the linked list using while loop. Okay, so here we are checking that our head of next is null or not. Okay, if our head of next is equal to null, अगर हमें ये वाली position मिल गई that the next is null, then we will stop that there and we will put here, means in this null position, at this end of this null position हमें ये वाला एड्रेस पुट करना है जो कि हमने क्रिएट किया है लिंक लिस्ट. सो वी आर पुटिंग इन दैट पोजिशन एंड वी आर रिटर्निंग द हेड इन द एंड. सो दैट्स द थिंग ऑफ लिंक लिस्ट. इफ यू हैव लर्नड लिंक लिस्ट बिफोर दिस, it will go and easier. Okay, Thank you.